Hey, welcome back to the RC Microverse. Been out working on the crawler trailer, trying to get the new toxic glow pit set up and get that ready to go. And I found out that I need a exit ramp. So I thought I'd record that and show you what I'm doing. Got some parts here on the table, and let me tilt you down and we'll show you where we are. All right, so as you can see, we've got like a little frame that I've kind of built, and what this will happen is this is gonna tilt. So the crawler pit will be here, and then you'll climb up some ramps in the pit to get out, but this will be the exit ramp on the other side. And what I'm planning to do is, we're just gonna take some of these sticks here that I got from the local hobby store, the craft center, and we're gonna hot glue them with our trusty old Ryobi. So this frame here, these pieces here were yardstick that I got from the home improvement center. And the back side here, I think these are just some trim pieces that I took off a 2x4. So basically just working with scraps that I had around the house, things that I've previously bought. But what this will look like when we're all said and done is we're gonna take these pieces, we're gonna hot glue them in here. We'll scatter some of these around. We'll get it all looking kind of neat. Let me just grab a handful of this stuff here. And there we go. So as you can tell, losing it. There we go. So as you can tell, that'll be a pretty neat little thing when we get it all said and done. Let me get this glued up and I'll bring you back and show you what we got.
3 days later.
All right, everyone, it's been a couple days, but as you can see, I've got this all glued up. Basically, all I did was take my hot glue gun and just kind of position each one. I started with the bigger sticks and then I went back and filled in any big holes or gaps with all of the smaller pieces, so that it was a nice little rough surface with some traction. But let's take this out to the garage workshop and do a little test run on it and see if there's any other changes we need to make. All right, we're out in the workshop. We've got the new glow crawler pit toxic zone all set up. And as you can see from the beginning of the video, I was just falling off the edge and I needed to build that exit ramp. So here's what that exit ramp looks like installed. Now we've got it right here coming out of that glow crawl pit. Actually looks pretty darn cool. You can ignore the rest of the table. This is all project zone for some other stuff I got coming up. But let me go ahead and set this camera down, and because I can't drive RC one-handed like some other guys can, Mark Santa Maria. But and we'll do a little test run and see how well this works, see if I need to secure it any other way. Boy, those pellets are nice and deep. Getting a lot of slide and slip and slides like it's driving through mud. Well, I guess that's the intent, right? All right, here we go. There we go. Oh, that's perfect. Right out, easy transition. Excellent. Let's give it that one more go. We're gonna try it from, we'll just put the car down right here. Let's see. Go, go, go. Wiggle the tires, see if that helps. No, that doesn't help. It digs you in more. I've noticed that sometimes if you're not lined up right, you'll slide sideways trying to come up this ramp. This is just a 3D printed ramp that I found online and resized. Glow-in-the-dark filament so that it fits with the glower pit. You guys probably want me to turn on those lights for you, don't you? Let's see what this glow pit actually looks like turned on. Let me get some power connected here. Where's the other end of the cord? Here we go. There's the other end of the cord. And there you go. So you kind of got that nice glow effect going on. Nice toxic pit zone. One more run, and then we'll call it a day. Actually, it looks better in the dark, but it looks pretty good here. Come on, come on. Well, I think that's a success. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. Look out for more updates coming to this crawler trailer. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. Thank you.